In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Confluence pages inside Draw I/O diagrams. Linking shapes in your diagram directly to Confluence pages turns a static picture into an interactive guide. It helps viewers jump straight to the information that matters, whether that's a detailed spec, a decision record, or a related document. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page that contains your diagram. Enter edit mode and open the diagram for editing. Give yourself a moment to zoom to a comfortable level so you can easily select the right object. Inside the diagram editor, click the shape you want to make clickable, then right-click and choose Edit Link. This opens the link dialog where you decide what the object will point to. You're attaching the link to this specific shape, so only clicks on this object will follow the link. In the link dialog, choose the option to link to a Confluence page. Use the search to find the page by its title, then select it from the results. For example, if you're linking to a follow-up page named Page 2, select that exact page. Take a second to verify you've picked the correct space and page title, especially if your workspace has similarly named pages. A quick double check here prevents broken or misleading links later. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply the link. Back on the canvas, the shape now carries that destination. Depending on your settings, you may see a subtle indicator, like a small link icon. Even if you don't, the link is now stored with the object and will work when the page is viewed. Repeat the same process for any other shapes you want to connect. Keep your linking consistent. If a shape represents a document, link it to that document's page. If it represents a decision, link to the decision record. Clear labels on your shapes help set expectations for where a click will take someone. If you duplicate a shape that already has a link, the copied shape typically retains that link, which can save time. Just make sure the destination still makes sense. When you're done, save your diagram and publish or update the Confluence page so the links go live. Test a few links in view mode to confirm they open the correct destinations. If a teammate can't open a link, it's usually a permissions issue on the target page rather than a problem with the diagram itself, so check access settings there. And that's it. Open your diagram, edit the link on a shape, select the Confluence page, confirm with OK, then repeat and publish. With a few quick actions, your diagram becomes a navigable map that speeds up collaboration and helps everyone find the right information faster.